Welcome to the Craft House, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to make these adorable pink striped glittered eggs. All of these supplies are from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's craft. So for this project, I'm going to take the medium-sized Easter egg container from the Dollar Tree. It's not the large one, it's the one that comes after that. I've used the larger one for my previous crafts, and I like this size. It's a little smaller, easier to work with. I'm going to use this Americana Decor chalk paint in the lace color. I use this one for almost all of my projects. I love the texture, and I love the way that it looks. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of the sponge brushes from the Dollar Tree and paint it using a dabbing effect. So let's continue with this part. So now that the paint is dry on the bigger egg, I also painted the two smaller ones. I'm just letting those dry as well. I'm going to use painter's tape in order to form the lines to guide me in painting the pink lines that I want to add to the egg. So let's add the tape and then we'll start to paint. So now I'm going to take this acrylic folk art paint. It is in a coral pink color, and I'm just going to put the paint straight on the egg and use the same foam brushes in order to give it that brushing technique. As I was putting the tape, I ripped off a little bit of the white paint. I guess it wasn't completely dry, so I'll have to fix that once this is done. So let's continue with this part. So now that the paint is dry, I removed the tape and I fixed the white paint that had ripped off. I'm going to take this very fine, extra fine glitter with some Mod Podge, and I'm going to add glitter to the white parts or the white stripes. This way it will give a little shimmery look to the egg. So all I'm going to do is put a thin layer of Mod Podge, add the glitter to it. I will let it dry, and once it's dry, I will add another top layer of Mod Podge. This way the glitter won't fall apart and it won't be all over the place. So let's continue. Glitter is done and I'm loving the way that it looks. Looks really pretty so far. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take these butterfly stickers. They're also from the Dollar Tree. They're in the Crafters Square section. I bought 2 packages of them because they were so pretty, and I figured if I don't get them now, I'll probably never find them again. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to place some of the butterflies on the egg. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the back part. This way they won't fall off. And we will be done with this part. So let's continue. So now I'm going to take this cream colored satin ribbon, and it's going to be the top part of the egg. It's just to add a little extra touch to it. And all I'm going to use is just a little bit of hot glue, attach it, and we will be done. So let's finish. For the stand, I'm going to use the shower curtain rings. If you saw my previous video that I put out this week with my chinoiserie egg, I did the same exact thing. This actually has become my new favorite way to make the eggs stand. For this one, I'm going to hot glue 2 of them, and then I'm going to cover it in the same satin beige ribbon that I used for the top of the egg. So all I'm going to do here is just hot glue them, and later on I will cover it with ribbon. Let's finish. So now I'm going to work on the 2 smaller eggs. I had already painted them before, and I added some of the same fine glitter to them. I forgot to record that part, but it's super simple, just paint and glitter. Now I'm going to use the same beige ribbon that I used on the larger egg, and I'm just going to put a piece of the ribbon in the center of each of the eggs and hot glue one of the butterfly stickers. Along with a little pink bow that I'm going to add to the top to give that little finishing touch. Once I'm done with this, these cute, adorable pink eggs will be ready to display. Let's finish. here we are finished with our final project. I really love the way they turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.